Hello friends. Okay, so in a previous lecture, we were talking about our 14th sum of exercise 2.2, and still we need to complete example means sum number 15 and sum number 16, and then after our exercise will be completed. But now I am thinking to solve that two sum 15 and 16 later. I am planning to start exercise 2.3 right now. Maybe this sum 15 and 16 might be till now we have solved 14th sum or 14th word problem of exercise 2.2 and some more examples. So I think might be you are also able to solve that sum 15th and 16th by yourselves. Otherwise, if you find the difficulties, we will solve also those examples also later. But now I am trying to moving into the exercise 2.3. Now what is exercise 2.3 question is solve the following equation and check your result. Solve the following equation and check your result. मतलब कि दिए आपको कुछ इक्वेशन दिए गए हैं, you need to solve the equation. When I say solve the equation, what do you mean? What that mean by when question is saying solve the equation? Solve the equation means find out the value of variable. Whatever variable has been given to you, you need to find out the value of that variable. Suppose in this equation 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Here variable is x. In second equation 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Here x is not variable. Here t is a variable. Okay. Here 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Here again x is variable. So variable might be changed. It could be b, it could be c, it could be y, p, q, anything can be. But it doesn't matter what variables have been given to you. Wherever it has been asked to you to solve the equation, it means you just need to find out the value of that variable. Now if you can remember whenever we were solving that word problem कि जिसमें हमें वैल्यू एज्यूम करनी थी x, and after that we used to frame equation. Here already equations have been given. Equation has been given and you just need to find out the value of x. Now it is very easy for us because we have already solved many equations in those word problems, right? In some word problems में हमने already बहुत सारी equations solve कर ही दी है, so it is also very easy for us. Okay, might be in exercise this 2.3 there could be might be 9 to 10 sums where you will need to solve the equation. But here you can see one more sentences, that is and check your result. मतलब अपना इक्वेशन भी सॉल्व करो, साथ साथ में अपना रिजल्ट भी चेक करो. चेक योर रिजल्ट मींस आपको जो भी x की वैल्यू मिली है वो सही है या नहीं, वो आपको क्या करना है, चेक करना है. Okay, now how can we check? Let's see. Suppose 3x as it is. I have written 3x as it is. 2x. This 2x will go to the. Okay. Again see. I am putting 3x as it is. This sign of is equal to as it is. This 2x will go to the left side, so it will become minus 2x is equal to 18. So 3x minus 2x. How many x? 3x minus 2x. 1x. 1x is equal to 18. Means I found the value of x is of 18. Now I have been told to check your result. Now how can I check the result? I just put the value of 18 in this side, mean left side and right side. मैं x की वैल्यू जो है वो लेफ्ट साइड में भी रखूंगा और राइट साइड में भी रखूंगा. If I am getting same answer in both the time, in both way, then that means my answer is very correct and I have checked my answer. Let me see how. Suppose I can write left LHS. Now what is LHS? Might be you are aware with the term. LHS means left, L for left, H for hand and S for side, left hand side. So which is left hand side over here? 3x is the left hand side. Okay, this is the sign of equality. You can see this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. So which is the left hand side? Left hand side is 3x and what is our right hand side? इज इन साइन जो इक्वलिटी की साइन जो है उसके राइट साइड में जो भी है वो हमारा क्या बनेगा? RHS. RHS means right hand side. Okay, RHS means right hand side. So what is right RHS? 2x plus 18. Okay, in both side, I mean in LHS as well as RHS, I am going to put the value of x is 18. If I am getting same answer here and here, that means my answer is correct. This is how I can verify my answer. I can check my answer. See, I have written 3 as it is. In the place of x, I will write 18. So 3 18s are कितने होते हैं? 54. यहाँ पर तो मुझे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की वैल्यू मुझे मिली है 54. If I get 54 again, 54 here also, it means my answer is correct. Okay. 2 in the place of x, I will put 18. जहां पर x है उसकी जगह पर मैं क्या रखूंगा? 18 plus 18. 18 2 जा 36 plus 18. 36 plus 18. 6 plus 8. 14. 1 is carry. 3 plus 1 plus 4. So again I am getting here 54. The value of left hand side is also 54 and the value of right hand side is also 54. That means our answer is correct. If I do not get same value in the LHS and RHS, that means I have done mistake in solving the equation. इसका मतलब कि मैंने equation solve करने में कोई ना कोई गलती की है. Okay. So but here I am getting the same answer LHS RHS, that means my answer is correct. So what you will write here? You will write here LHS is equal to RHS. मतलब कि हमने अपना आंसर जो है रिजल्ट वो चेक कर लिया है. यहाँ पर LHS is equal to RHS है. अगर कोई केस में you are not getting the value of LHS and RHS same, at that time you will just put the is not equal to LHS is equal to LHS is not equal to RHS. You will just put of sign not equal to. यहाँ पर आप उसके ऊपर लाइन ड्रॉ कर देंगे तो नॉट बन जाएगा. Okay. Second is 5t minus 3, 3t minus 5. Here you also need to find out the value of variable. Here variable is t. So again you will try to bring all the variable one side and all the number at other side. Suppose 5t, I will put 5t. So first of all you can put the sign of is equal to as it is. Okay. Now I will put 5t as it is, and this 3t will come into the left side, so it will become minus 3t. I have put on this minus 5 as it is, and this minus 3 will go to the right side, so it will become plus 3. Okay, 5t minus 3t is equal to 2t. Minus 5 plus 3. What is minus 5 plus 3? Can you tell me what is minus 5 plus 3? Minus and plus means we need to do the operation of subtraction. 5 minus 3, 2. And the sign will be of biggest number. Now 5 is biggest, so sign of 5 is minus, so I will put minus. So t is equal to this minus 2 will be as it is, and this 2 will go to into the denominator. So t is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 and sign is minus. So I am getting here the value of variable is minus 1. मुझे वेरिएबल की यहाँ पर वैल्यू कितनी मिली है? minus 1. Now I need to check whether my answer is correct or not. Okay, let me check. LHS, what is LHS? Is 5t minus 3. 5t minus 3. Okay, 5 as it is. In the place of t, I will put minus 1, minus 3. जहाँ पर मैंने t थे, वहाँ पर मैंने minus 1 लिख दिया. Wherever it was t, I have put the value of minus 1 at there. So 5 1s are 5. Here you can see the relation of 5 and t. The relation between 5 and t is multiplication. तो 5 और 1 के बीच में रिलेशन क्या कौन सा होगा? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो 5 वन जा 5, एंड अगर एक साइन माइनस है दोनों में से तो हमारा आंसर रहेगा माइनस में, -3, -5 -3 कितने हो जाते हैं, माइनस माइनस हो जाते हैं प्लस, 5 + 3 8, लेकिन साइन रहता है हमेशा माइनस की. So I am getting here the value of LHS is -8. Let me check what is the value of RHS. RHS है इनइक्वालिटी, सॉरी, जो इक्वालिटी की साइन है उसके राइट साइड वो है 3t - 5. Okay. In the place of t, I will put -1 again and -1. Okay. 3 1 जा -3 and -5 as it is. So 3 minus minus plus, 3 plus 5 8 and sign of minus. So again here I am getting LHS is equal to RHS. So I will write here. So you can write here. So LHS is equal to RHS. मतलब कि LHS की जो वैल्यू वही वैल्यू RHS की है. So this is how you can go ahead. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now our third sum is 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. What you can do here again, so 5x as it is, the sign of equality as it is, this 3x will come to the left side, so it will become -3x, and this 5 as it is, and this plus 9 will come to the right side, so it will become -9. Okay, so now 5x minus 3x, it will become 2x and 5 minus 9 क्या हो जाएंगे, 5 minus 9, this plus 5 is plus, तो 5 minus 9 will be the -4. आपको अगर ये आता है, I don't know are you able to solve this or not. 5 minus 9, whenever you are having one sign plus and one sign minus, so you will always do the subtraction from the bigger number to smaller number. 9 minus 5 4, and always you need to put the sign of biggest number, the greatest number. Now you can see 9 is the greatest number, so I will have to put the sign of minus. So 2x is equal to -4 as it is, and this 2 will go to the denominator. So okay, mistakenly I have written over 2, this 2 will go to the denominator. क्यों जाता है, क्योंकि जब भी here you can see the relation between these two term is plus. So if this 9 will go to the right side or left side, this will become, अगर plus है तो it will become minus, and if it is minus it will become plus. But here you can see both 2 and x are associated with the relation of multiplication. While there is a relation of multiplication and that number gets separate from the whatever number has been given, at that time it will go into the denominator. और अगर डिनोमिनेटर में then that will go into the numerator. Okay, this is the rule of our mathematics. So x is equal to -4 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. So I am getting 2 and sign of minus. So I am getting the value of x is -2. Now let me put the value of x into the LHS and RHS, and let me check my answer is both the value of LHS and RHS are equal or not. Okay, so LHS is, what is LHS? 5x plus 9. So in the place of x I will put -2 plus 9. 5 minus 2, here you don't need to do subtraction, because 5 and relation between 5 and 2 is multiplication. So 5 2s are 10 minus 10 plus 9. So what will be -10 plus 9? Minus plus, same case, my one sign is minus, one sign is plus, one sign is minus, one sign is plus. So you will do the subtraction. 10 minus 9 is 1, and you need to put the value of biggest number. Now 10 is biggest, 9 से तो 10 ही बड़ा number है, तो 10 की value है minus, so I will put the sign of minus. Now let me find out the value of RHS. RHS is 5 plus 3x. 5 plus 3x. 5 as it is, 3 as it is, In the place of x, I will put minus 2. 5 as it is. 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6 but minus 6. 3 to the 6 but minus 6. 5 as it is. Now I need to remove the bracket. मुझे bracket remove करना है, but before the bracket plus sign is here. So I will not change. I will not make any difference in the bracket. Bracket में जो भी है वैसा का वैसा लिख दूंगा. तो bracket में क्या है? minus 6. Okay. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Okay. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So here again we are getting LHS and RHS same. So you can write here. So here again LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. This is how we can verify and we can check our answer that is correct or not. Okay, so till now we have solved only 3 examples. Might be in exercise 2.2 we will be having 9 to 10 sums. Then after exercise 2.3 will be completed. So if you have the textbook, you can try by yourself sum number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you are not having, I am going to put the all the 10 sums, means the whatever the equation we have of all 10 sum in might be in our WhatsApp group, and you can see this screenshot, the photos, and you can solve the equation by yourself. If you are not having textbook, if you have textbook, then it's perfectly okay. You can open the exercise 2.2 and go to the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 and 10 sums. Okay, so you write this all the 3 sum very nicely in a very nice way and send it to me. Okay, thank you.